In recent years, artificial intelligence (AI) has made significant advancements, revolutionizing various industries and transforming the way we live and work. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT 3.5, is one such example of AI technology that has gained immense popularity. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate human-like responses, making it a valuable tool for numerous applications, including generating income. In this blog, we will explore creative and practical ways to leverage ChatGPT to make money. 1. Content creation and copywriting. ChatGPT can assist content creators and copywriters in generating high-quality and engaging content. Whether it's blog articles, social media posts, or product descriptions, ChatGPT can provide valuable insights, topic ideas, or even draft content for further editing and refinement. By utilizing ChatGPT's capabilities, content creators can increase their efficiency and productivity, enabling them to take on more projects and potentially earn higher income. 2. Virtual assistant services. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can serve as a virtual assistant, handling customer inquiries, scheduling appointments, and providing general information. By offering virtual assistant services powered by ChatGPT, individuals can create a scalable business and provide 24/7 support to clients around the world. This can be done through chatbots, automated email responses, or live chat interactions, allowing individuals to monetize their ChatGPT-powered virtual assistant service. 3. Language translation and interpretation. ChatGPT's proficiency in multiple languages makes it an excellent tool for language translation and interpretation. By leveraging ChatGPT's language capabilities, individuals can offer translation services for businesses and individuals seeking accurate and efficient language conversion. This could involve translating documents, website content, or providing real-time interpretation services for meetings and conferences, thus opening up income opportunities in the global market. 4. Chatbot development. The demand for chatbots in various industries continues to grow. ChatGPT can be utilized to create intelligent and conversational chatbots that enhance customer experiences. By developing and deploying ChatGPT-powered chatbots, individuals can offer their services to businesses seeking to automate customer support, lead generation, or sales inquiries. Chatbot development can be monetized through one-time setup fees, ongoing maintenance contracts, or licensing agreements. 5. Online tutoring and educational assistance. With its vast knowledge base, ChatGPT can serve as a knowledgeable tutor or educational assistant. Individuals can provide online tutoring services, leveraging ChatGPT to answer students' questions, explain complex concepts, and offer personalized guidance. By combining human expertise with ChatGPT's capabilities, tutors can enhance the learning experience, attract more students, and potentially charge premium rates for their services. 6. Game development and non-player characters, NPCs. Game developers can incorporate ChatGPT into their projects to create dynamic and engaging non-player characters, NPCs. ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like responses can breathe life into game narratives, making interactions with NPCs more immersive and realistic. By offering game development services that leverage ChatGPT, developers can attract clients seeking captivating gaming experiences and generate income through project contracts or revenue-sharing models. Conclusion. ChatGPT, with its remarkable language generation capabilities, presents numerous opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills and creativity. From content creation to virtual assistants, translation services to chatbot development, tutoring to game development, the potential applications are vast. By tapping into the power of ChatGPT, individuals can unlock new avenues for income generation and embrace the possibilities of AI in their entrepreneurial endeavors.